Now we continue to track new developments in a decades-old murder case.
Raymond Beaver Tempest was back in state Supreme Court today. Eyewitness News reporter Jared Plenner was there. He has the details.
Raymond Tempest remains out on bail while the justices decide this matter. He has repeatedly maintained his innocence in the bludgeoning death of a young woman in the Blackstone Valley. 19 years after his first appeal, the case of Raymond Beaver Tempest returned to the Rhode Island Supreme Court Thursday. Tempest, now in his 60s, was convicted in 1992 for the 1982 Woonsocket murder of 22-year-old Doreen Picard. DNA testing resurrected the case in 2004. The defense argued it exonerated Tempest. Then last year, a Superior Court judge threw out Tempest's conviction, but not because of DNA. The judge said original prosecutors failed to disclose evidence to the defense about a car witnesses linked to Tempest.
The information was material. The evidence about the maroon car tied the state's case together.
There's no finding of fact that at any time when Mr. Ryan looked at this material and said, this has high value to the defense, I'm going to suppress it. There's no finding of that because it's not in the record and it's not borne out by anything anybody testified to.
The AG's office says Tempest's defense had the information and Tempest waited to raise a claim until 2013. By that time, his lead attorney was dead. A witness had Alzheimer's. The state says it can't reasonably defend against it now. The judge also ruled the lead prosecutor never turned over evidence that undermined the state's witness. And that female witness made statements about Raymond Tempest, saying that he lived at her address. It turned out that Tempest had not moved in by the time of the murder. In any event, the state says her statements were incriminating, did not speak to innocence, and the state had no interest in ever using them. With the Providence Mobile Newsroom tonight outside the Rhode Island Supreme Court, I'm Jared Plenner, Eyewitness News.